trick or treat! Yes, Halloween is just around the corner. And your Lola Ma-cel will show you a helpful trick how to let our kids to eat vegetables without them knowing.
Approve na. Kahit inaantok na lola niyo, oh my. I can't resist. Kakain muna ako. This is the best way to cut your pizza. Cut it clean. Fast, clean, and maanghang-anghang siya kasi meron siyang chili flakes. I added some chili flakes sa ibabaw. This one is roasted sweet potato, and I have some capsicum, zucchini, and onion. Mga ano ko na yun, medyo gisado ko na yun. Or if you want it roasted, roast your vegetables first. Not too much naman. And then, pagka ready na ang yung cauliflower pizza crust, top all the vegetables, and then top it also with blends of cheese. And again, cheese na naman, and then put it in the oven for like 2 to 3 minutes para lang mag-melt yung oven. Because what I did is iniluto ko muna yung aking pizza crust to make sure yung cauliflower sa loob ng aking crust is cooked. Hello everyone! Bago pa maging zombie ang mga lola, dahil ako ay natapos na sa aking third vaccine, yung booster kung tawagin, ay gagawa ako ng isang experimental pizza. This time, I will use cauliflower, one of my favorite vegetable. So, samahan niyo ako gumawa ng isang cauliflower-based pizza crust.
Yan, handa na ba kayo? Ihanda na rin po ang ating cauliflower. Yan po ang bida sa ating video recipe for today. Kumuha lamang po ng small sized cauliflower, gadgarin katulad na ginagawa ng inyong lola. Sukatin, mangangailangan lang po tayo ng 1 tasang ginadgad na cauliflower. Pagkatapos, 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, o kaya kung meron kayong parmesan cheese, pwede pong parmesan cheese ang inyong gamitin. Magputput ng konting asukal, 1 to 2 tablespoons, at 2 tasang harina. Yan po ang ating basic pizza dough. At mangangailangan tayo ng 1 tasang tubig. At sa ating pampatubo ay 1 kutsaritang yeast lamang po ang ating kailangan. Gamit ang spatula ay paghalu-haluin ang ating dry and wet ingredients. Yan, matapos mabasa ang ating harina, lamas mode na naman ang inyong lola. Of course, naghugas po ako ng mabuti ng kamay using dito soap, okay? So yan, masahin ang ating harina. Malagkit po siya because of our ginadgad na cauliflower. So, it's okay. Magtiyaga po tayo. Lahat ng masarap ay nadadaan sa tiyaga. Masahin mabuti ang ating pinaghalo-halo ng mga sangkap. Kung medyo malagkit pa, walang problema. Magdadagdag po tayo ng 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy na masahin upang maging malambot ang ating masa ng harina. At kung malagkit pa, by and by, magdadagdag po tayo ng harina. Then, pagtapos na, after maybe 5 to 10 minutes, yan, nabilog na, maganda na ang ating cauliflower. At habang nagpapahinga po ang ating pizza crust dough, ay ihanda na po ang ating mga vegetable toppings. So here, I am showing you ako'y nagpiprito ng sweet potato or kamote. Mahiwagang kamote ay first time na ginamit ko sa aking pizza. And here, I have some slices of zucchini, capsicum, magkakaibang kulay, and tomato, but I didn't use tomato. Pan-display lang yan ngayon. Iprito hanggang maging malutong-lutong ang ating kamote. Matapos iprito, ilagay sa kitchen towel upang masipsip ang excess oil. Place on a plate kasama ang mga roasted vegetables, or maybe you can gisa or saute your vegetables lightly. And then, now we will prepare our crust. 1 hour, look how beautiful. Yan, well rested na ang ating pizza crust. So again, sa mga ngayon palang nag-tune in, this is a cauliflower pizza crust. Yung isang buong dough ay hatiin natin sa dalawa upang isang crust muna ang ating gawin. Ganun po yun, step by step. Alright, so watch and learn kung paano ginawang pizza crust ng inyong lola, ang cauliflower. This is the trick. We are making a vegetable-based pizza crust na kung saan pag kinain ko ng mga bata, hindi nila alam kumakain na pala sila ng vegetables. O diba? If they don't like cauliflower, yan. This is the trick to let our kids or mga junakis na kumain ng masustansyang gulay na hindi nila masyadong namamalayan. Yan, sa kakadaldal ko, nakatapos na ako ng 1 tray of thin pizza crust. Kayo na po ang bahala sa kapal ng inyong pizza crust if you want it thick or thin, but this one is just medium kasi tumutubo po yan. Next, we will do or make a second pizza crust. Again, just dust it with little flour and then roll it with rolling pin or flatten with a rolling pin sa hugis o nipis na inyong gusto. Mega love shout out sa iyo, Love Christine. Thank you for sharing the idea, yung shorts na pinakita mo, yung inyong pizza crust or pizza na from the box. And from that, I got this idea na cauliflower crust. And another very helpful trick, this one, olive oil and crushed garlic. Ito po ay sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag lagi nyo nilalagay sa inyong pizza, nakakagana po talaga. Okay, so cook first your pizza crust using a tinidor or fork. So, butas-butasin. Yan. And then, we are going to brush the top of our pizza crust with olive oil and garlic. Okay? Huwag maging matipid. Buong gilid, ibabaw, at gitna ng ating pizza crust ay lagyan po natin ng olive oil, mayroong crushed garlic, and dried basil herb. Okay, so huwag magtipid sa ating olive oil. Brush it well. Yan. Now, we will sprinkle it with the magic of salt. Ayan, konti lang. Hindi po tayo gumagawa ng daing. This is a pizza crust. Yung nauna kong ginawa, it has well rested already, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. Una po natin isasalang sa oven. So, bake for 10 minutes at 170 to 180 degrees. Bottom and top fire po ang naka-on. Okay? Yan, medyo sinilip-silip na ng lola nyo after 6 minutes. But it is not yet ready. So, close and let it cook. Excited ang lola nyo kasi first time ko gumawa ng cauliflower pizza crust. So this is just my idea. Alright, so bake your pizza crust like this. Next, second batch naman. So I made 2 trays. Ayan, ganyang kalapan. Yan, and as the other crust is baking, ihanda na natin ang ating main bida. Alright, hinati ko lamang po ang aking naunang pizza crust sa kalahati, and I topped it with blends of cheeses. Okay, dalawang magkaibang kesong aking ginamit. Gouda and halloumi. Then I topped it with the roasted sweet potatoes and the mixture of vegetables. Then top it again with cheese. Okay, so mixture po yan. Always remember, if you want a very yummy pizza, mag-mix kayo ng mga natural cheeses. And then bake it it for like 2 to 3 minutes only kasi luto na yung crust. Okay? Just bake it until yung ating cheese ay matunaw. How perfect!
Ayan, so heto na po ang aking cauliflower-based pizza crust with mixture of vegetables, toppings, and also 2 blends of cheese. I mixed halloumi cheese and Gouda cheese. Now, naririnig niyo yung crunch? So this is my pizza. This is a new, very new vegetarian pizza. Experiment ko wala na masarap. Try this. Para maiba-iba naman yung mga pizza na inyong mga natitikman. I made two big crust of cauliflower pizza. Niluto ko muna siya and then saka na lang salang sa oven. Somebody wants to eat this kind of vegetable pizza, cauliflower pizza. See you. They tell me ha. Gayahin ito. Tell me what to think about it.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you my cauliflower pizza crust, vegetarian pizza topped with lots of vegetables and cheese. And now, because this crust is pre-baked, we can create another kind of pizza the next day. Yan. So, custom-made sa kung ano gusto ng ating mga mahal sa buhay. Thank you so much, guys! Mega love shoutout sa you, Judes! Mga tropang sexy, tropang maingay. Alright, and Team Iconic!